Alright, so I wanted to show you some examples of some very good and very ugly funnel or landing pages as well. Okay, like if you want to get started, I think you should put in some work. That's just it. Don't allow your sales funnel to look like something that looks like spam or scam and something like that, so like it's a fraud. Take your time to design something, but it's not about design itself. It's about the strategy. It's about what you want your customers to do. It's about your results that you're looking for. So like I said they need to be able to do three things. Number one, they need to be able to see, they need to be able to validate, and they need to be able to take action with ease. And the speed at which they do these three things determines your success. So look at this. Delegate. This is how they communicate very fast. Delegate all your digital tasks without the high cost of hiring. So you can read this introduction to new way to scale your business while saving and all those kind of things. And you could see the picture here, which tries to capture some of the things that sets you back or is the enemy kind of, and what they address. And you see they have just one call to action, which is to see how it works, which is a free trial, and it says starting today. So just looking at this page right here, it communicates exactly what you want people to do. So your landing page or the page in which your offer needs to look very, very amazing. And don't worry about it, because you see the difference between this and some other one, which I'm going to share with you, is because most people don't know better. So if there's someone who's going to teach you how to do it better, won't you opt in? If you could do more, won't you do more? And someone showed you an easier way to actually achieve more. So that's the challenge. Most people don't really know how to do it, and that has been the challenge. But I'm going to show you that. So you see the next thing, which I said that it was about validating, and you can see it now validated some of the people that they have worked with. You can see some of this. I was thinking that this should have gone here, but this should have gone a little bit up, which has to do with the offer that they're offering. It should have taken this block here up a little bit. So just seeing this, and so they had to break it down. This is what you're going to do. Just break it down, let them understand what it is in it for them. Okay, what is in it for them. So when they now check that, you can be able to now strike your business. And you see this is very, very interesting, because the testimonial, social proof, validation, and some of the people that they have worked with. And this is just what the validation looks like. See another testimonial, and then you are able to maybe sign up for a newsletter or get in touch with them and all those kind of things. Well, I'm going to show you how it really, really works. Really, really good. So this one too, like this Netflix, you can see very, very easy. And Neil Patel said something. He said that when you have too many buttons on your landing page or your checkout page, or your landing page or your funnel, people actually click on the wrong one. So you see, it's about signing in, it's about trying now. So if you're already a customer, you come into sign in. If not, you can try now. So that's just how the thing is, and it just captures some of your best movies, some of the option, what's in it for you, okay, and all those kind of things. It tries to validate that you're actually going to be watching some of the thing live and all those kind of things, and frequently ask questions that finds out what people have been saying about it. Avoid ugly stuff. Avoid ugly stuff. Avoid ugly stuff. Don't, and make it look very, very unique. Like I said something here, you can see the color consistency, very, very darkish something. I'd just like to move forward and let's get started. So that's what I wanted to show you, so we can make progress.